Everyone and their grandmother is telling you to use AI tools, but here's the problem. There are now over 10,000 AI tools on the internet. Most of them are garbage. A lot of them do the same thing, and a handful of them will straight up waste your time. So I did the testing for you. I've spent the last few weeks actually using these tools, not just watching demo, and I narrowed it down to 5 that are genuinely worth your time in 2026. Whether you're trying to save time at work, make money online, or just stop feeling left behind by this whole AI wave, stick around, because this list is going to be useful. Let's get into it. Quick note before we start. I'll drop links to everything I mention in the description below. Some of them are affiliate links, which means I get a small cut at no extra cost to you. It helps keep this channel going, so I appreciate it. Okay, tool number 1. ChatGPT. And yes, I know you've heard of it, but hear me out, because most people are using it wrong. The free version is still genuinely powerful for everyday stuff, not writing emails, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas. But the real game changer is ChatGPT Plus with GPT-4o. At $20 a month, it can analyze images, browse the web in real time, and run custom AI agents called GPTs that automate entire workflows. Here's a practical example. I use it every morning to summarize my emails and flag the ones that actually need a reply. What used to take me 30 minutes takes 5. Who it's for? Honestly, everyone. If you're only going to use one tool from this list, make it this one. Tool number 2 is ElevenLabs, and this one is a little more niche, but incredibly powerful if you're a creator. ElevenLabs is an AI voice generator. You give it text, it reads it back in a voice that sounds completely human. And I mean actually human, not that robotic text-to-speech you remember from 10 years ago. You can clone your own voice with just a few minutes of audio. You can create characters. You can generate narration for videos, podcasts, or audiobooks without ever turning on a microphone. For faceless YouTube channels specifically, which is a huge trend right now, ElevenLabs is basically the engine behind the whole thing. Okay. Tool 3. This one is my personal favorite for research, and it's called Perplexity AI. Think of it like Google, but instead of giving you a list of links and making you click through 10 pages, it actually reads those pages and gives you a direct, cited answer. I use it anytime I need to research something quickly. It's faster than Google, more accurate than asking ChatGPT from memory, and it shows you its sources so you can verify things yourself. It's especially useful for keeping up with fast-moving news, like, say, AI news, which, if you're watching this channel, you probably care about. Tool 4 is Canva, but specifically the AI features they've added, which most people don't know exist. Canva now has a full suite of AI tools built in. There's Magic Write for generating copy inside your designs, Magic Eraser to remove objects from photos, Text to Image for generating custom visuals, and an AI video editor that's getting genuinely impressive. If you're building a brand, making thumbnails, or putting together presentations, Canva AI saves an enormous amount of time. It's also one of the most beginner-friendly tools on this list. And tool number 5 is Notion AI. If you're not using Notion, it's essentially a supercharged notes and project management app. And they've baked AI directly into it, so you can ask it to summarize your notes, write first drafts inside your workspace, translate documents, and even analyze databases. What makes this special is that the AI has context. It knows what's already in your workspace. So instead of copy-pasting stuff into ChatGPT, the AI is already sitting inside your notes, your projects, your docs. For anyone running a business, managing projects, or just trying to get more organized, this is a serious productivity upgrade. All right, real quick, and let's recap the 5. Number 1, ChatGPT, your all-purpose AI assistant. Number 2, ElevenLabs, AI voice generation for creators. Number 3, Perplexity AI, the smarter, faster way to search. Number 4, Canva AI, design, with AI built right in. Number 5, Notion AI, AI that lives inside your workspace. All 5 links are in the description. Most of them have free tiers, so you can try them before spending a dime. If you found this useful, hit the like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and tells YouTube to show this to more people. And if you want to stay on top of everything happening in AI, because things are moving fast, subscribe and turn on notifications. Every week I cover the tools, news, and strategies that are actually worth your attention. I'll see you in the next one.